Welcome again to our YouTube channel. If it's your first and you find our content helpful, make sure to subscribe to get more updates. In this video I am going to show you how to connect LCD 16 X 2 with an I2C to Arduino Uno. So let's get started. I2C is a serial communication protocol, so data is transferred bit by bit along a single wire, the SDA line. Like SPI, I2C is synchronous, so the output of bits is synchronized to the sampling of bits by a clock signal shared between the master and the slave. I2C combines the best features of SPI and UARTs. With I2C, you can connect multiple slaves to a single master, like SPI, and you can have multiple masters controlling single, or multiple slaves. This is really useful when you want to have more than one microcontroller logging data to a single memory card or displaying text to a single LCD. The I2C module has several advantages which include: only uses 2 wires, supports multiple masters and multiple slaves, and when you have used the I2C module, you don't need a potential meter since the module has a potential meter on the chip. The connection is very easy. Connect the VCC pin to the 5V of the Arduino, the ground pin to the GND of the Arduino, connect the SDA pin to A4 and the SCL to A5 of the Arduino. With Arduino IDE opened, you must first download the library for LCD I2C. If you don't know how to download and install the library, you can check out another video, the link is in the description. Then go to Files, Examples. Scroll down and find Liquid Crystal I2C. Then choose Hello World. An example will be brought in and you can edit as you desire. If this video was helpful, like, comment and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.